As you see, the streets of Jaffa look very different from those of Tel Aviv. The Jaffa clock tower dominates the main street, but it's not really that old. Its cornerstone was laid in 1900, and it has been a work of art in progress ever since. A plaque was added to honor Israelis killed in the battle for Jaffa in the 1948 Arab-Israeli War. And stained glass windows were added in 1966 to tell the story of Jaffa. As we explored Jaffa's old town, we came to its ever-popular flea market. It sprawls over several blocks. Tradition has defined its areas of specialty. High fashion for the ladies. Here in the carpet department, I caught a fleeting glimpse of our wonderful trip leader, Stephen Fisher. I'm sure there were bargains to be had, but carpets weren't on our shopping list. As we walked along Jaffa's narrow cobblestone streets, we came to a most unusual sculpture, a full-grown floating orange tree. Created in 1993, this installation continues to produce fruit. Now we come to Old Jaffa's largest and most imposing building, St. Peter's Church. Yes, it's Roman Catholic, with masses conducted in English, Spanish, Polish, and Hebrew, and its history goes back a few centuries. The architectural style is New Spanish Baroque, but what you see here sits where a medieval citadel had been erected in the 13th century. Since then, it was destroyed twice, and twice rebuilt, with the current church dating back to 1888. We ended our tour of Old Jaffa at the top of Peak Park, where we viewed an impressive sculpture called the Gate of Faith. The gate represents entry to the land of Israel, as had been promised to the patriarchs Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob.